I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy syrup. Easy method. Start by combining measured sugar and water in a saucepan and stir to dissolve. Heat gently while monitoring temperature so the sugar dissolves but does not brown. Add flavor and a few drops of food coloring once removed from heat, then cool the syrup to room temperature before using it in your cotton candy machine. Gather sugar, water, preferred flavor extract, and optional food coloring before you start. Measure 1 part water to 2 parts sugar for a reliable syrup base and keep a candy thermometer handy. Warm the mixture slowly, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves, then remove from heat and stir in flavor and color. Let the syrup rest until it reaches room temperature and shows no visible steam. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips and recipes. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof containers are perfect for storing cotton candy syrup without spills, and they make meal prep so much easier, great for the fridge or to pack a treat. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you pick some up, enjoy the convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Control temperature and technique to get the best syrup for spinning. Keep heat moderate and stop stirring after the mixture reaches a gentle boil to prevent crystals forming. If crystals appear on the pan sides, use a wet pastry brush to wash them back in. After adding flavor and color off the heat, cool completely, then transfer to a clean sealed jar so your syrup stays fresh and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.